What happens to global security when the system built to prevent catastrophe can't agree on the rules anymore? As of May 2026, discussions at the United Nations are exposing deeper divisions over nuclear policy and how far global coordination can actually go. This matters because the system isn't just debating policy, it's revealing how much alignment still exists between major powers and how much doesn't. Welcome to World Strategy Lab. Recent nuclear nonproliferation talks have brought together major states and regional actors with a clear objective: limit the spread of nuclear weapons and reduce global risk. But inside the room, the picture looks very different. Countries aren't approaching this from the same position. Some are pushing for tighter controls and stronger commitments. Others are focused on maintaining flexibility for their own security. That gap isn't small, it's shaping what can and can't be agreed. At the same time, geopolitical tension is influencing everything. Rivalries between major powers are affecting trust, and without trust, even technical agreements become difficult to close. There's a bigger shift behind this. The global security environment is becoming more fragmented. New alignments are forming. Older ones are under pressure. Countries are reassessing how much they can rely on international systems. That changes how risk is managed. Nuclear frameworks depend on shared understanding and consistent enforcement. When consensus weakens, the system doesn't stop, but it becomes harder to maintain. These talks are also exposing something deeper. Global institutions were built for a different era, one where cooperation between major powers was more predictable. That predictability isn't there in the same way anymore. That doesn't mean the system is breaking down, it does mean it's operating under more strain. Agreements take longer, progress slows, outcomes become less certain. The result is a system that still functions, but with more friction. And in areas like nuclear policy, that friction matters. The reality is simple. Preventing escalation depends on coordination, and when coordination weakens, risk doesn't disappear, it spreads. As of today, the question isn't just whether new agreements will be reached. It's whether the system can still function the way it was designed to in a more divided world. Stay informed. This is World Strategy Lab.